how to import fonts in CapCut in your PC. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open any browser in your PC, and inside the browser in the search bar search for thefont.com. Once you search for it, this page is gonna open up in your screen. Select the font that you would like to import in your CapCut, then tap on download. Once the font has been downloaded, tap onto it, and just like so, you want to go ahead and tap on the font's name and then install it. Once the font has been installed, if you have opened the CapCut before, you want to go ahead and close it completely. And once you close the CapCut, you want to go ahead and reopen it. Once you open the CapCut, tap on Create Project. And once you are here, you want to go ahead and simply tap on Text right over here. Drag the text in your timeline. And once you do that, go ahead and tap onto it. And just like so, in your right hand side, you'll then be able to find fonts right over here. So you want to go ahead and tap onto it. And just like so, make sure system font is expanded. You want to go ahead and expand the system font. And just like so, inside the system font, you'll then be able to find that very font that you have installed. Well, that's simply how you can import fonts in your CapCut. That ends the video, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.